Hey people, just thought I would show you a new wee gadget toy that I've come across. You know, like your fidget cubes and your fidget spinner. This one is a magnetic fidget cube. Now look at that. Every single one of these comes apart, and we have, I think it's 219 singular little cubes that make up the big one. You can make whatever you want to make. Quite fun. All comes apart, singular. Quite a funky thing actually. Right, how did it go now? Damn. Oh, I'm just making a mess of it now. Anyway, just thought I would show you this. It's quite funky. You can get them off Amazon. I'm assuming they'll be on eBay, but these were off Amazon, and they're not a great deal, a lot of money either. But you could have a lot of fun with them making things up. So I've got to figure out now how to get back into its cube. But anyway, yes, here, thought I'd show you that.